In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Pixel on a Kajabi landing page. If you want to track visits, conversions, and retarget people who land on your Kajabi page, connecting your Meta Pixel is an important step. In this walkthrough, we'll grab the pixel code from Meta and place it directly into the landing page's header area inside Kajabi so the tracking can load properly on that page. To begin, head over to Meta Business Suite. Once you're inside, look for the Data Sources section. This is where Meta keeps the assets connected to your business, including tracking tools like pixels and data sets. From Data Sources, click into Data Sets and Pixels. You should now see the available tracking assets associated with your account. Select the pixel you want to use for this landing page. Make sure you choose the correct one if you manage multiple pixels, since this determines where your visitor data will be sent. After opening the pixel, click on Events Manager. This is the area where Meta lets you manage installation, review activity, and confirm whether your pixel is firing correctly. Inside Events Manager, click Set up Meta Pixel, then choose See Instructions. This option gives you access to the installation code, which is what we need for Kajabi. Next, click Copy Code. This copies the Meta Pixel base code to your clipboard. The base code is the standard script Meta provides, so your page can send tracking information back to your ad account. It's important to copy the full code exactly as provided without changing or removing any part of it. Now switch over to Kajabi. From your Kajabi dashboard, click Website and then go to Landing Pages. This will show you the landing pages available on your site. Find the specific landing page where you want the pixel installed. On that landing page, click the three dots to open more options, then click Edit. After that, choose Edit Design. This takes you into the design editor for that page where you can adjust both visual settings and behind-the-scenes page settings. Once you're in the editor, click Settings and then open Custom Code. This section is where Kajabi allows you to add scripts that load in the page header or other code areas. Since the Meta Pixel needs to load as the page opens, the correct place for it is the Header Page Scripts box. Paste the copied Meta Pixel base code into the Header Page Scripts box. Take a moment to make sure the full script appears there cleanly and hasn't been cut off. If you accidentally paste extra spaces or partial code, the pixel may not work properly, so it's worth doing a quick visual check before saving. When everything looks right, click Save. That applies the tracking code to the landing page design so Meta can begin collecting page activity from visitors on that page. At this point, the pixel has been added to your Kajabi landing page. A good next step is to open the page in a browser and verify the installation using Meta's tracking tools or a browser extension designed for pixel testing. That way you can confirm the script is firing correctly before sending paid traffic to the page. One important note is that this method uses the manual code installation route by placing the script into the page header. That gives you direct control over the tracking code on the specific landing page you're editing. If you ever update or replace your pixel in Meta, you'll want to come back to this same area in Kajabi and update the script there as well. And that's it. You've now connected your Meta Pixel to a Kajabi landing page by copying the base code from Meta Business Suite and pasting it into Kajabi's custom header script area. Once saved and verified, you'll be in a much better position to track conversions, build retargeting audiences, and measure the performance of your campaigns accurately.